Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm taking you on a very typical walk through Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam. We're going to skip the big boulevards and dive straight into the heart of the city. Its famous narrow alleys, or ngõ, as they're called locally. This is where you find the real, unfiltered daily life. We'll navigate a maze-like network where you'll see everything from tiny shops and hidden playgrounds to how people manage to live and work in such compact spaces. But here's the hook for this walk. We'll start in one of the tightest, most enclosed alleys and see where it leads. The contrast when we emerge from the maze is the real highlight of this journey. Just a quick note, this video has subtitles with extra information about the locations, so feel free to turn them on. If you enjoy these immersive walking tours, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow. All right, let's get started. I hope you enjoy the walk.
Nhà nào ấy? Phát đến cây cái mất rồi. À, rồi nhá. Ra đây, bóng luôn.